Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going over just what is this new strategy that has backtested $25,000 in a month, and it is fully automated. Okay, you're gonna want to stick around. It's gonna be short per usual. Getting right to the point, and I'm gonna kind of explain how it is. So you don't necessarily need the automated trading bot to do this, and there may be others out there. We're not really sure, to be honest, but this is ours, so we know it works. Okay, so there's two versions of this. One is it goes with the trend, and it is based off of delta divergences. So as you guys know, it's something I've brought up as a strategy. Not really my strategy, but I introduced it to everyone in the Discord, and something I noticed while using delta, polarity, analytical chart, all that. So, trading NQ, you can look for delta divergences. So let me find one. Okay, so see if we can find a good one. I want to try and find a good one that works here. So basically what we're looking for with a delta divergence is so right here we have a positive 133 delta with a down close candle. So that's a divergence, and you see we do get a nice move down. Okay, so that would be part of our trend version. We have a trend version. Pretty sure we're going to be releasing that one for free. Okay, so free to anyone who's in the Discord. So you're going to want to join the Discord. Okay, you're going to want to join the Discord. So yeah, that would take it for with the trend. Okay, and that one's yielding pretty good profits from what I'm hearing. I still have to test it myself. We've just been having testers test it, and our developer test it, and they're saying it's pretty good. I think the trend one's about a 65% win rate, and it's pretty good. So that's with the trend, and you just turn it on with a button basically, and it would trade throughout the day. Okay, whatever time frame you want it to. And we also have one that actually reverses it. So it's kind of a regression version of that. So for example, this would have been a loss because this divergence short, it would have taken a long. So, but this one's actually yielding more profits and a higher win rate. So, for example, it depends on the delta parameters you have set. So, and it has a trailing stop loss on this one, and this is the one that yielded 25,000 in a month. And I'll show you guys the proof here in a second, but for example, this would have put us into a long trade because it's a down close candle, positive delta, right? So you would have gotten entered right around 15,394, and that trailing stop loss would have brought you all the way up to market close. So a good amount of points there. And this was traded on ES, so I don't really want to load up ES, but it's the same thing, but the divergence was on ES, okay? And it was about 400 delta or so was in the test. And it had about 60, let me see, actually 90 trades in the month of August. And it yielded 25,000 of profit. And that, again, that was on ES, not NQ. Okay, on ES, not NQ. But NQ, this can still work. So just have to do more testing on it. So these are the results. I know it's a little bit fuzzy, but total net profit 25,800. This is a back test with the delta divergence strategy here, with the 400 on the deltas, stop loss 30, profit target 30, and that is basically it there. So let's see. 97 trades, about 66% win rate, 64 winning trades, 31 losing trades. But yeah, net profit 25,000, and that was just the month of August. So you're gonna want to stay tuned for this. Okay, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what we are developing. And there's also more automated strategies getting brought to my attention. So you're gonna want to join the Discord if you were at all interested in automated strategies. And this one looks pretty promising. You can do these delta divergences on your own. just manually take them. And a lot of my members on my live streams will take them, and they do work out pretty well. But you know, you're not going to want to sit at your computer for 6-7 hours a day every single day for a month, right? You might want something to automate that, and we're going to be providing that. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, join the Discord, because the Discord is where you're going to get all the updates, information, and if you want live streams, it's in the Discord. And also, if you guys are interested in the Polarity course, you can get a discount if you DM me through Discord. Okay. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day or night, and we'll be back later in the week with a new video. I'll see you guys.